What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic CCR, Who'll Stop the Rain. Cool, let's go. We're in standard tuning. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. With pinky on top there of 3rd fret E string. We have an E minor, and then we want to keep the top note. That's for the intros and the in-between things. Yeah, play E minor like this, 2nd finger, 3rd finger, and pinky on top there. And then G, just bam, bam. Talk about that bass later. Alright, so G major, E minor with that top note. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got D major. Okay, so that's the main chords. We do have a B minor bar chord in the 2nd verse. 2nd fret from A, 4, 4, 3. Alright, so it starts with that intro. You want to pick 6, 4, 3, and then up on the E and B string. And then when you want to grab a quick F sharp, which is 2nd fret E string, just the bass note. And then we're going to go to that E and pick the same way. Back to F sharp. F sharp. Singing, we're going to strum a little bit different. We're going to go. Well, and if you can get that smack in there. Same thing. C major, 2, 3, 4, G. Now C major, C major to G, C major to D, and E minor G. Let's do that first verse again. Second verse, G to C to G. G, now we got that B minor to C to G. This part is the same. Chorus part, C to G, C major to D, and E minor to G. So let's do that again. So the first verse, G to C, G to C, and then C, G, C, G, C, D, E minor, who'll stop the rain. Okay, and then second verse and third verse, I believe. C, G, G, then B minor, C, G, and then it's the same. So it's only that B minor that's different. Okay, then it's going to take us to the bridge. That's C, G, D, A minor, 1, 2, 3, to C, to E minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, C, G, D, A minor, C, G. Last verse. Last time they stay on the E minor, they just do one hit. Stop the rain, and then back to the top, which is it's the outro. It's the fade here. That's all the parts, folks. Let's go over everything really quick one more time. Intro, picking G major, grab F sharp on the way down, E minor, grab F sharp on the way back up. First verse, G to C, G to C, and now stay on C. It's chorus here, to G, C to G, C to D, E minor, stop the rain. Second verse and third verse, G, C, G, G, B minor, C, G, and then it's the same, C, D, C, D, E minor. Okay, bridge, C, G, D, A minor, C, E minor. Cool. Thanks, folks, for checking in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe, take it easy, and rock on.